Hi, Professor. This is Gautam, and this is for the course leading strategic change with technology. And my topic would be like improving communication as a method for transforming organizational culture for the strategic achievement. So, and the first slide would be current issues with the communication. There are many issues when it comes to the current issues of communication. The first one would be breakdowns in the communication process leading to limited vision and decision making. So the breakdowns, for example, in a previous job, I saw how poor communication during project planning led to duplicated efforts and missed deadlines, uh, and disjointed departmental relationships and uneven information sharing. For example, I can give a scenario where one team updates a document but doesn't inform others, leading to an outdated strategy. Right? Uh, let's come to the third point, which is low employee engagement resulting in social loafing. I have observed disengaged team members negatively impacting overall productivity by failing to contribute equally. Consequences: uh, reduced trust in leadership, employees don't feel their input matters, operational inefficiencies, duplicated tasks, or missed opportunities, decreased employee morale and productivity, which leads to high turnover rates in extreme cases. Let's go to the next slide. Leadership's role in cultural change. Address communication breakdowns, like hosting regular cross-departmental meetings to bridge gaps, foster trust and collaboration, celebrate team wins, and involve employees in decision making. Um, let's go to the next slide. Communication strategy and vision. Vision for change. Open, diverse, and collaborative communication. Think about a workplace where anyone feels comfortable sharing ideas without fear of judgment. Alignment with organizational goals and values. Clarify how communication improvements tie into achieving big picture objectives. And the action plan would be develop and share a comprehensive communication strategy. For example, implement team wide weekly updates to keep everyone informed, promote transparency, inclusivity, and feedback loops, ensure decisions and updates are shared openly, use OB concepts, highlight effective group dynamics and organizational behavior principles such as forming cohesive teams that thrive on trust and mutual respect. Let's go to the next slide. Training and technology implementation. Training programs focus on active listening, conflict resolution, and constructive criticism, like teaching employees to phrase feedback positively to encourage better outcomes. Leadership participation to model behaviors. Leaders should actively engage in these trainings. Next is technology integration. Adopt tools like project management software, intranets, and instant messaging. For instance, tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams can centralize communication. Provide clear usage guidelines for consistency. Define norms like always, tagging relevant team members to avoid missing messages. Encouraging open communication and feedback. Feedback channels, focus groups, town halls, and anonymous surveys. For example, a previous employer held monthly town halls that allowed employees to voice concerns openly. Encourage active participation and responsiveness to feedback. Acknowledging suggestions publicly and implement feasible ones quickly. Continuous change process model. First one is monitoring feedback to identity ongoing communication challenges. For instance, using anonymous surveys to spot patterns of dissatisfaction. And the next one is adapt strategies to ensure alignment with goals. If one strategy isn't working, pivot quickly based on feedback. Now go on to the next slide. Monitoring and evaluating progress. KPIs for evaluation. Employee satisfaction scores measured through regular pulse surveys, engagement and participation rates. Track attendance at optional meetings or training sessions. Um, Departmental collaboration metrics evaluate project success rates involving cross-functional teams. Adjustments use feedback to refine communication strategies. For instance, replace underused tools with more user-friendly alternatives. Recognize and reward improvements, like highlight examples of effective communication at team meetings. Now let's go on to the next slide. Benefits of improved communication. Uh, Strategic advantages: higher employee engagement and alignment with the company's mission, make employees feel they are playing a vital role, enhance trust in leadership and cross cross departmental collaboration. In this way, trust builds loyalty and commitment. Improved problems solving, innovation and organizational agility. Effective communication drives creative solutions. Outcome: long-term growth and resilience in a dynamic business environment. For instance, during crisis, clear communication can guide teams effectively through challenges. The next one is the references. These are the three references where I have made my presentation. And thank you, Professor, for your hard work and effort and making the class very communicative. We are very thankful to you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.